Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today we're assembling the Amalfi 62cm round bistro table. Inside the box you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list you will see screw-in feet. These should already be in the table legs. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box, you should have these components: one tabletop, one center ring, and 3 legs. Pro tip: place a lock washer part J, then a small flat washer part K onto the bolts labelled part I for a hassle-free assembly. Using these bolts, loosely attach the center ring to one of its legs. Make sure the feet are facing upwards, and repeat the process for the remaining 2 legs. You will need some flexibility in the table legs for later. On a soft, clean surface, place the tabletop face down and attach the bolts, part D. Pro tip: when attaching these bolts, ensure the screwdriver thread is face up. Now repeat this process for the other 2 bolts. Once completed, use a flathead screwdriver to tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten, as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. Once completed, align the base to the top, then attach with the big flat washer, big lock washer, and then the nut, and repeat this process for all legs. Now tighten the bolts with the Allen key provided. You will also need to tighten the nuts with a 14mm spanner. Again, be careful not to over-tighten. Now, place the Pvc covers onto all bolts and turn the table to the upright position. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.